So you like saying but all the time. But by saying that, I'm here to tell you that you're stopping yourself from success. The word but should not be part of your vocabulary. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you why. The success mindset doesn't have room for but. Because what you're saying when you say but is you're saying forget everything I just said. Yeah, I want to be successful, but it can't work that way, okay? You have to have the mindset that you're gonna do something no matter what. There is no but. You can't rely on but. I run across people every single day who want to be successful, want to start a business, want to put their family in a good position, and they have nothing but buts. They have buts everywhere. But I don't have enough time. But I got to work a full-time job. But I don't have money for this. But I don't have time for that. But I don't have the skills for this. But I didn't go to school. But everything. But will never get you anywhere in life. Understand that there's somebody somewhere in the world right now who had way worse circumstances than you, and they didn't let but stop them. Ain't that right, Pikachu? Pika! So you need to conquer the word but. You need to get it out of your vocabulary right now, today. You got to start now. Get out of the habit of saying but. When you catch yourself about to say it in your daily routine, stop and think. Get rid of it. Don't say it anymore. Because understand that it's killing your potential, okay? Saying but all the time is killing your potential. Because when you say but, what you're really doing is you're protecting your ego. You're making it so that, okay, I don't have to be 100% in on all this because then I won't look stupid. If I'm like 40%, if I say but, then people won't think I look so dumb because remember I said but. It's okay because I said but. All successful people have a one-track mind and they don't say but. They just go for the goal. They say this is the goal, this is what I'm going to do. If they fail, who cares? They're going to work their butt off and they're going to hit some road bumps. And they're still going to keep going because they're going to get to their goal no matter what. They don't have but in their vocabulary. They don't have a plan B. They erase it. They get rid of it. So if you're ready to get rid of but and start your own online business, I have a link in the description below where you can learn all about the system that I use for free. Make sure you click on that link. Let's get rid of that but once and for all. I'm the infamous Joel and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to learn more about how successful people think, then watch this video right here.